and welcome to PC Tips Pro. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the location where Google Chrome saves your downloaded files. So when you download files using Google Chrome, the default location for saving the files is usually the downloads folder on your computer. Now you can find this folder by opening the File Explorer or Finder on your computer and then navigating to the Downloads folder. In addition, if you're using Google Drive, your downloaded files may also be saved to your Drives account depending on your settings. Now, if you want to change the default download location in your Chrome browser, in order to better locate the file, to free up space, for better organization, or for security purposes, all you need to do is firstly go to your Google Chrome and open a new tab. Then kindly click on the three dots icon on the top right corner of your screen and then go to your settings. Now in your settings, you will see this downloads option. Kindly click on it. Now here you will see this option to change the location of your downloaded files. Also, you can choose to enable the option Ask where to save each file before downloading if you want Chrome to prompt you for a download location each time you download a file. Now, most of the time, we don't want that. So kindly click on Change. So from here, you can select any folder where you want to store your downloaded files. Let me select this. No, not this. This, yeah. Here you can also create a new folder by clicking on the New Folders option. You can try giving it a new name. Now, enter. Now after this, all you need to do is click on Select Folder. Now as you can see, my downloads location here has changed. So to confirm it, let's try downloading a file. Here, I'm gonna download this book here. Now, from here, you can click on the Show in Folder option. Now you will arrive here. As you can see, this file has been downloaded and saved to our newly created folder. So from now on, all your downloaded files will be saved to the folder you have selected. If you ever want to change the download location again, just repeat the above steps and select a new folder. So this was all for the video, guys. I hope you found this video useful. And also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro in order to be regularly updated with these helpful tech content. Thank you for watching.